2 molecules of ATP are used to split glucose. The energized molecules lose 2 electrons each, which are accepted by NAD+, making 2 NADH carriers. The phosphates that were added are removed. This energy is used to make 4 ATPs. Before the Krebs cycle begins, one pyruvate passes into the mitochondrion's outer compartment, and then it goes from there into the inner matrix. Each pyruvate then loses a carbon atom, which is caught by oxygen, an electron acceptor, and then it becomes carbon dioxide, or CO2. Then, electrons are transferred to an empty NAD+ cart, making 2 more full NADH carriers. The enzyme CoA brings a 2-carbon molecule, now called acetyl-CoA, to the Krebs cycle where it joins a 4-carbon molecule. This then becomes a 6-carbon molecule called citric acid. Then, one by one, the carbons are removed and caught by oxygen, forming CO2. It goes from 6 carbons to 5 carbons, then to 4 carbons. Electrons are then transferred to the NAD+ and FAD, filling them up and making 3 NADH and 1 FADH2. 1 ADP gets recharged, and that makes ATP. The cycle repeats, and they do it again for the second pyruvate. FADH2 and NADH, the high-energy electron carriers of the mitochondria, transfer electrons to the inner membrane of the mitochondria, or the cristae. In this case, Grant is portraying the cristae. Electrons are passed through a series of ion pumps, or carrier proteins, that create energy to pump hydrogen ions to the outer compartment of the mitochondrion.
Outer compartment of the mitochondrion.
Wow, Aiden, you're so smart. The low-energy electrons are accepted by the O2 and the 2H ions, which makes water. FADH2 does the same exact thing. Hydrogen ions are pumped to the outer compartment through FADH2. He did. A high concentration of hydrogen ions passes through the ATP synthase, or the revolving door of the mitochondria. Energized enzyme transfers the energy to ADP, which makes it ATP. Okay. 38 molecules of ATP to be exact. Ew, I have dead bugs all over me from that spider web. Ah!
Okay.
Get off of me.
We have 4 minutes left. We don't have time for this.
Get out. This is not
Dad,
funny.
This is not funny games. This is work.
I was like, honestly, Dad, yeah, I would.
Wait.
The book is on Spark Notes.
Day.
What do I do?
Electrons.
What do I do?
Day.
What do I do?
Electrons.
What do I do? Creating energy to pump hydrogen to outer compartment. Where's the hydrogen?
Where's the electrons?
This.
This is more than 2 hydrogen ions if I've ever seen 2.
Sequence occurs with FADH2. Hydrogen ions are pumped to outer. Sequence occurs with FADH2. Hydrogen ions are pumped to outer compartment. The energized enzyme. Okay. Cut. Blah blah. Okay.
Okay.
Energized enzyme trans.
It's kind of like heroes.
Okay.
Oh.
There's no spider web on me. Okay. The energized enzyme.
Oh boy!